you've just kept on going and doing your work, and I look forward to continuing to follow Lawler Center and see how I can be involved and being encouraging people to take your courses and read your books. And of course, I'll have links in
There's
the
a
show
fucking
notes
bus
for this
here. What'd you
episode.
think was happening?
That my little fingerprint gets baked off of that aluminum.
Nice. The booger that you put on. Okay, let me start off here. So, the International Space Station. I'm old enough to remember when it was debated, when we wanted to make sure, because at the end of the Cold War,
exit dive.
Aerospace scientists, we didn't want them going to our enemy.
For the rest of their married lives, being like, "Hey, everybody's my husband." He's pouting and mumbling to himself.
Right? How long does she
Red light
intend to stay
Ron.
married to him?
Yeah.
Yeah, at least long enough to do like another weekend Pete with the old sultry voice trick, and also offers $100 cash as like a bribe to make him just go home.
Red light Ron again.
Try not to forget the plan again. So he does. We're just very stupid people, and that works. Then we see that Teddy, he's all shaved and chipper inside the apartment.
I'm just gonna anticipate you doing something dumb because you're in the left turn lane and you got your right blinker on. You're either gonna make a right-hand turn, which would be dumb, or that was another red light run, by the way. Okay, distraction is over. Okay, let's see what this guy in front of me does. Either he's going to turn right or he's going to keep going straight. Which there was a very long line of cars. I wonder why all of them were there. Because maybe they didn't want to turn left here. They just wanted to keep going straight. Straight into the heart of Worcester. How do you pronounce Worcester? Because I've heard it pronounced like 20 different ways by like 20 different people that live here. Worcester? Kirster? Worcestershire? Well, this guy's going. And he's going to keep going. Now I can go. Yay!
Right? One, I'm going to say it's called movement progression. So let's say we have cranky knees or trying to get better for downhill, right?
Nice
we have
cut
a
off.
nice entry point where we can start straining your knees and your quads.
Right.
At that point, you don't need somebody telling you, "Oh, no, Janice, don't do that." Or, "Oh,
No, exit dive.
You know when you've done wrong, right? And so you're chastising yourself, right? Everyone has doubts or hesitations or things. Why are we doing it? And
Exit.
you can't express them, right? And so I use the shelf.
Nice cut off. That's what that was.
And then one day, one too many things happen.
Big thing on top of a whole bunch of big things that happened in a really short time that broke me loose from the cognitive dissonance.
Nice cut off again.
Okay, I have to check. Maybe God's not.
Red light run.
It was like really being used. There's all these websites coming up. YouTube started. So
Nice cut off.
I started seeing a lot of businesses and getting keeps it there. So I was growing at that. So yeah, so that's what kind of got me into this and feeling like
a little too early there.
Turn a bad thing into a good thing.
Toyo turd.
Oh yes, wow.
Nice cut off. No stop. Toyo turd. I don't think the car ahead of me stopped either. It's hard to judge when you're looking at them straight on and see if they stopped or not, or they just rolled through. It's hard. So I'm not perfect. No one is. Stop it. Stop yelling. Red light run. I don't like the way you red light run. I don't like the way you red light run. Yeah. Nice cut off.
Some vomit we've ever seen in a gang film. The closest they get to referring to it is that he will be wearing his wedding ring around his neck on a chain sometimes. Yeah, sometimes he'll be like playing with his finger, and that's
I'll count that as an exit dive.
That is his space work for the film. Yeah, yeah, and the him in particular, he looked a bit like in this.
Uh-oh. It looks like someone's about to get pulled over. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. And I haven't played the GTA busted clip in a long time. Oh, here it goes.
Mountain in in the Adirondacks, and and then the same thing was the back end of that, the bookend when we actually did it. It was challenging. I mean, don't get me wrong, but it was nowhere.
Exit dive, like you were behind him, then you go around, and then merge over, and it's like, and he wasn't going to exit anyway, so you saved 0 time. Why'd you do that?
Again, that was
weird.
The physical aspect that.
And more. So you show up more often on search engines and bring in more of your ideal customers. Check out squarespace.com/Burr for a free trial. And when you're ready,
Red light run.
offer code Burr.
Really?
To save 10% off your first purchase of a website or so
I'm not sure that's a good thing or a bad thing.
It's hard. We'll have a discussion about what we think, because I'm on the fence about what's good and bad about it.
Really?
I don't think I have a full understanding.
I was about to sing the song, but I guess I'll sing it now. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Said night quill in the bird feed. They want me to dose the bird? Oh my.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we are in Massachusetts where they don't allow such a thing. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Oh well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Subscribe! Yay! Alright, I'll catch you next time. Alright, bye!